Hey guys, it's freestyle, still July 15th, and I'm getting ready to cross out of Harper's Ferry across the Potomac into Maryland. Check it out. You're gonna walk with me for a little bit. Looks, those are the pillars where the old bridge used to be, and there are the train tracks. Goodbye, West Virginia. I will miss you. I liked West Virginia a lot. It was short, to the point, bada boom. On to the next thing. And so that's West Virginia. That's Virginia. This is Maryland. Yep, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia. Hi. Look at how muddy the water of the Shenandoah is when it merges with the Potomac. Or I guess the Potomac's water is clearer. Yeah. Whew. Howdy.
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty well.
Good, good. Looks like you've been gone for a while.
Oh yeah, since Georgia.
Wow. When did you start?
April 13th.
And you're going all the way?
Trying to.
All right.
Pretty cool.
April.
Yeah.
2 months, 1,000 miles.
3 months about.
Okay. Oh, yeah, April.
Yeah.
3 months.
Yeah.
I would have been here sooner, but I had to take 2 weeks off because of a knee injury.
Oh,
But I'm back in fighting form now.
fantastic.
Good.
Well, I mean, good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And get to Maine.
Thank you much. I will.
There you go.
Before the summer's over and gets too cold.
I'll be fine. We're almost in Maryland, guys. Almost in Maryland. Now look at that. Look at that. We're doing good. We're doing good. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Good. Just don't like those steps.
Yeah. Y'all have a nice day.
You too. Have fun on your hike.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where are you headed?
I'm headed to Maine.
Are you really going to do the whole thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wish I had longer to chat, but I do have to get to Brunswick.
Oh, there you go. Well, good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Well, guys, we're in Maryland now. And I'm gonna keep on keeping on. I hope you all have a lovely day.